In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page on Teachable. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your dashboard, how to build your page with blocks, and what to include so it converts visitors into students. First, head into your Teachable admin and navigate to Site, then Pages. This is your home base for all site content. You'll see two main areas: School Pages, which cover your home page, About Page, and any custom pages, and Product Pages, which are specific to your courses. If you haven't already, make sure Teachable's Site Builder is enabled so you can use the latest visual editor. Next, decide what kind of page you want. If you're building a landing or sales page for a specific course, you can go directly to that course and open Pages. Alternatively, from Site, then Pages, choose Product Pages and click Add New Sales Page. Once you've created it, designate which page is the primary sales page for that course. That primary page becomes the main landing destination for visitors, so choosing it ensures your links and navigation point to the right place. Now let's build. Teachable's Page Editor 2.0 is a simple, drag-and-drop, what you see is what you get editor that uses page blocks. Click Add New Block and choose from text, button, image, video, curriculum, FAQ, and more. Use a button block for your call to action. This is where you'll link to checkout or enrollment. A video block is great for an explainer or trailer. The curriculum block can showcase what's inside the course, and an FAQ helps reduce objections. If you need something custom, add the custom HTML or liquid block to embed special code, like widgets or tracking snippets. Now refine the design. Rearrange blocks by dragging them up or down to create a logical flow, a strong hook at the top, benefits and proof in the middle, and a clear call to action near the top and bottom. Edit each block's content by changing text, uploading images, and setting button URLs. Lead with your unique selling proposition. Write a clear headline and subheadline that explain the main benefit in plain language. Add social proof such as testimonials and trust signals to build credibility. Keep your call to action short and specific, and use consistent colors and spacing so the page looks clean and professional. Before you go live, click Preview to see how the page looks to visitors. Check that links work, images scale well, and everything reads clearly on desktop and mobile. When you're satisfied, hit Publish. Your landing page is now live and accessible, ready to welcome new students.